If you are watching this video for the first time, and those people that are yet to subscribe to our channel, please click on the subscribe button and like our video. Let's get started with this video right now.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we're going to be talking about Opnet Testnet. So Opnet Testnet is built on Bitcoin layer 1, and it's used for DeFi, token, and more. So this testnet has potential reward for those people that interact with this smart contracts. So let's go over to there are some I think what we'll be doing in this lesson, I think definitely it's not going to take a lot of time, like at least let's say approximately 10 minutes to go over this Opnet. So what we'll do is, first of all, we have to I'll drop a link in the description of this video so you can join. So we'll go over to opnet.org. Okay, so what you do now is say these are things you have to do. You have to download wallet. I think what you do have to do is to set up the extension, then you connect your Twitter account. Okay, you'll be given a task to do and the rest. So what we'll do, if you click on connect wallet, let's see what pop up. No, not this one. Let's click on download wallet. So what we have to do now is to download our Opnet wallet to our extension. So that's what I have to do right now. So click on add to Brave. I want to add it. So immediately you have added your Opnet to, you see that it has been added. So it redirected me to this place for me to create a new wallet. If you are just starting, you have to create a new wallet. If you already have account, you just have to add I already have a wallet. Okay, so we'll create a new wallet. So create a password for entering your Opnet extension. So that's what I'll create my password now. So what I'll do now is to continue. Click on continue after entering your password. So guys, I have to create a new wallet. The one I just did, my seed phrase showed. So always keep your seed phrase private. So I'll be creating a new wallet. So that one I will not be using it. So I have to keep it privately. So I'll pause this video so that let me copy my seed phrase. So after you have copied your seed phrase, click on continue for the second step 2. Okay, so make sure you copy your seed phrase. So you can see it's loading, just to give you some time. Okay, say for safety, Opnet will never touch your YouTube something. Okay, I just click on got it. So this thing important you have to know. You can use your phone to do it normally, and you can use your Kiwi browser, Mrs. browser. So it's not hard. Just download the extension of it, then do it that way. So what I want to tell you is the important information here is very important, so that you know where you'll be using more of this what is it called, this TBC also, they call it, this account one, this is the address you'll be using more, not this public key. You understand? So the thing you can do right now, we can go ahead and request for Faucet. You can go ahead and request for Opnet Faucet. So we have to okay, you can claim 0.01 TBC every 24 hours. So click on it, then paste your wallet address. You understand? That's what you have to do. Paste your wallet address. So that the address you are pasting is your TBC wallet address. Told you where it is, you copy it here. Account 1. You understand? So yeah, verify your captcha that you're a human. Just read out what it's telling you. So I'll claim my TBC. Yeah, so you do this every 24 hours. So what next you have to do is to click on this OP2 token. Okay, you have to connect our OP wallet. Connect it. I think they'll give us a password to write, or maybe still not give us a password. You just click on connect. Yes, it's connected. So claim your 1000 PIL. You just click on it and give it some time. Okay, I think there's gonna be a pop-up. Let's wait for it. Okay, you can see the pop-up. 1000 spin megated. So what you have to just click on sign in. Click on sign in. Click on sign in again. So you say what TX sent. Click here to view transaction. I don't want to go into that. So you can still click on copy PIL's address. Okay, copy. There's no need for copying a PIL address anyway. So what next? So the next step we go over is to swap. I'll be leaving a link to all of this in the description of this video. So you should not bother think more of it. So what we'll do here is you have to connect your wallet. I do all these things practically, so that I will not jump in any step for you. You connect your wallet. So if you connect wallet, this is what will pop up. So you have to select token. Okay, can select Bitcoin or Motoswap. Sometimes this take a lot of time. I thought the fixed it. They say everything is gonna be fast right now, but sometimes it's still gonna be slow. So you click on Bitcoin. So sometimes you still need to have a good network. Okay, sometimes it's very slow. Honestly, I have to tell you the truth. So then click on any. Okay, let's click on PILs. Okay, let's see if it will pop up. It's not popping up. So okay, Bitcoin has shown. If you have 0.009 Bitcoin, so select another token. Let's select MOTO. Okay, so enter a value. So enter a value that is less. We have 0.001, a value that is less than 0.009. So you get 93 MOTO. You click on swap. Okay, so after you click on swap, click on the button below to start your swap with. So many people don't know about this. I'm about to show you. So after swap up, you can send. Click on send. Select token. Okay, you can select MOTO or PILs. Okay, let's go for PILs. The network. Your website is very slow sometimes. So you connect your Twitter account here. I think you have to connect your Discord here. So I want to connect my Twitter account. So I click on connect it. You bought all this, so you click on connect. So connect your Twitter account. Connect your Twitter account. So if you connected your Twitter account, one other thing very important is your Discord. Discord, you connect it. Click on Discord, you take you to this place, then accept your invite. You understand? So Twitter and Discord is very important. So follow the rules there, and uh, complete verification is very important. I think right now they say the bot is down, so you can try your own and complete verification, so you get started. So those are the activities that you have to do for this Opnet testnet at this moment, the one that is working. I told you we claim Faucet, we swap, and all that. You understand? So there's one other thing that I have to do. I think is it not mono swap? Okay, Abby. Let's just do this. So in this monoswap.org, I'll leave all the link on the screen. This will called click on farm. Click on farm. You see a farm.monoswap. This is very important too. I just remembered. So you swap, you 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 claim facets, and you farm. You understand? So what you have to do, that's the three things: swap, or you can start with facets, swap, and farm. So is you'll see your own like this if you are starting. So you have to connect your wallet. Connect wallet, connect your Opnet wallet. Okay. So connect wallet. Okay, I think it has connected. So what you have to do now is to say stick Monoswap LPO to claim your own. So view menu. Okay, so now tell you to select your favorite dishes. Just follow what they are saying. Okay, the thing is loading this network.
So guys, this is gonna be the display. You're gonna see for you to select this, your select right, this Bitcoin Moto Moto LP. So you can select any dish. Let me select Moto dish. I'll select any of the dish. Okay, so I have load. Okay, I don't know why. Okay, after you have load, you are having zero Moto. Yeah, you're having zero Moto. You're supposed to have some amount of Moto. That's what I think I'm supposed to have. But let's see what we can do right now. Let's go back. So let's select Bitcoin. Let's see. Select the each of Bitcoin. Okay, I think we have some Bitcoin here. So BTC here. Yeah. BTC and Bitcoin is the same thing. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. If you are watching this video and you gain value, please do it to hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. Okay, stake your stake your BTC to end. Let's stake our BTC. Let's take some amount 0.00, okay, let's 0.002 stake down. So let us type confirm now. Okay, this is capital letter. Confirm. Confirm. Okay, now click on confirm. Continue. Something is popping up. So I click on sign in. So that's what you're so okay. Staking TFs sent. Click here to visualize. So you have stake BTC. So we'll click on Moto, select ditch. Okay, so we want to stake. So this is another of my accounts. That's why you see that I have 2000 Moto stake. So I know that if you are having a fresh account, I don't think you have a Moto that mistake or you have a balance. That's why you need to do some swapping here. Make sure it work from BTC to Moto. You put some numbers, some numbers like 0.00 something. You understand? Something like this. 0.04. Okay, then you can now swap. So I'm just telling you so that in case you don't have any then you start reservation. In case you are not seeing a balance of Moto, yeah. So that's what you're supposed to do. Then I think there will be a pop-up that will come. So let's just focus on this. So normally what we're supposed to do, we're supposed to add like okay, supposed to like add like we want to stick onto it. You click on add then stick number that you want to stick. You can stick any amount you want. I want to stick 100. Let me say 1000 because my balance of Moto. That's why I'm sticking. That's why. Click on stake now. Okay, there's going to be a pop-up that will allow you to sign in again. So basically, you still have to do the same thing. Why we are having issues is because of I think the website. So most of you testnet they do have issues a lot. So you just put a number, then take now. Most to work. If you know work, just know that it's network or their website server is kind of down. You understand? So that's basic our testnet is. Please, like I say, if you are new to my channel, please uh subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Uh, I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.